Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial. Now, it can be fall/Halloween because the color scheme that I went with was based on pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns. So, I mean, take it which way you will. But this is the final makeup look. It's smoky, sultry, and a bit colorful for my personal taste. But like my fall tutorial, I love the way that it turned out and couldn't wait to share it with you. So if you're interested in this makeup look, go ahead and stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it and maybe was inspired to do a fall look or Halloween look for yourselves. Full list of products will be listed down below as well as on my Instagram. My Instagram account is the first link in the description box, and there I post all my makeup looks with a full list of products in each photo's caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. My nose is runny. Sinus. Girl, did you? Flawless. I can't believe I slipped my hair back. Guys, Astros just won. We are going to game 6. Bring it on. God,